Picture a world where your plate becomes your most potent weapon against hair thinning. What if the very foods you eat could literally weave strength back into every strand on your head? Dive in with us today as we journey through the kitchen, revealing nature's arsenal against hair loss. The idea that our hair's health, shine, and strength are profoundly linked to our diet isn't new. Yet, many are unaware of how specific nutrients, especially biotin, play such a monumental role in keeping our tresses robust and resilient. Today, let's deep dive into the science of biotin and how integrating biotin-rich foods into our diet can lead to dramatic transformations in hair health. Biotin, often referred to as vitamin H or vitamin B7, is a water-soluble vitamin that's a part of the B vitamin family. Its primary role is to help our bodies convert food into energy. But why is it such a hero for our hair? The science behind biotin. Understand the molecular structure of biotin and how it interacts with hair follicles. Biotin and keratin synergy. Hair, skin, and nails predominantly consist of keratin, and biotin boosts its production, leading to fortified hair strands. For each of these foods, we'll delve into preparation methods, daily recommended amounts, and additional benefits apart from hair health. Eggs. The yolk is where the magic resides. Eggs are not only about protein, they're a biotin bombshell. Almonds. Beyond being an excellent snack, almonds give a significant biotin punch. Sweet potatoes, a versatile veggie, rich in biotin and beta-carotene, that guarantees luster and strength. Spinach. This green leafy wonder is packed with iron and biotin. Tuna. Dive deep into the ocean's treasure. Tuna, a biotin reservoir, ensures your hair remains as fluid and vibrant as the waves. Dairy products. Dairy isn't just about bone health. It's a silent crusader for hair strength. Sunflower seeds. A sprinkle of these is like showering your hair with biotin blessings. Here, we explore biotin supplements, their effectiveness, the right dosage, and potential side effects. We'll also discuss why whole foods might be a more holistic approach. Hear first-hand experiences from individuals who have embraced a biotin-rich diet and witnessed a dramatic shift in their hair's texture, volume, and overall health. As we wrap up this insightful journey, let's remember that our hair is a reflection of our internal health. When nourished from within, it radiates vitality on the outside. Now, a little favor to ask of our wonderful viewers. If this deep dive into biotin and its wonders has been enlightening, please hit that subscribe button. Your support allows us to bring more research-driven content your way. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends grappling with hair challenges, and drop your thoughts, experiences, or topic requests in the comments section below. Here's to a future with thicker, shinier, and stronger hair. Let the beauty on your plate reflect atop your head. Cheers!